Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. It is currently Saturday morning at 8:20 a.m. and you're gonna come along with me for the weekend because what? I have nothing going on. That's not true. I have a movie premiere tonight, or a show premiere with Benton, and then I don't think I have anything tomorrow, so I'm sure we'll get up to some random shit, and I want you to be there with me by my side for comfort, for support, for morality. I slept in this morning. Well, sleeping in for me is anything past like 6. But I slept in this morning because I was at my friend's show last night and it went late in my book, which is, I didn't get home till like 10:30, 11. And like for me, that's late. But for a normal person, that's a regular time. And so I didn't fall asleep till almost midnight, which is unheard of for Jake. So yeah, I slept in, but I need to go to the gym. I came home and I ate an entire loaf of bread last night. Not an entire loaf, half a loaf. And I think bread has been bloating me. I think it's been making me not have to because, sorry, this is crazy work to tell you this at 8 a.m. But when you're watching it, it'll be night. So you've probably already taken your daily shit, I hope. If not, go see a doctor for regulatory bowel movements. Now I'm journaling. I've started this new journaling thing where I write down every thought in my head in the morning. And I've been doing it for 3 days and I feel the exact same as I did before doing it, but I'm hoping one day it'll change me. And so that's what I'm gonna do. After I journal, we're gonna go to the gym because I need to go to the gym and get a coffee and wake up and have a great day. Also, fuck New York. It's 40 degrees and rainy. Is it 40 even? It's 35. 35. Well, can you see? 35 and rainy. Like what? Live, laugh, love. We'll be fine today. I also need to book a bunch of trips this weekend for the summer. I've been procrastinating, planning. What underwear do I have? Oh, amazing. You know how like some underwear rides up and you like don't, never mind. That's a lot of information for you. Ooh, I'm naked. I want to make more bread, but also my problem is I make the bread and then I eat the bread. Alex goes, can I call? Yes. Where's the call? Hello? I'm like a very impatient friend. I feel vulnerable at this angle. Okay, I'm ready for the gym. And then get a coffee on our way. Okay, we're leaving. Oh wait, am I taking my, yeah, I'll take my camera to the gym. I'm not gonna set it up. Oh my God, I'm glowing. Anyway, here's the light. Let me show you my gym fit. It's me in a gray hoodie, obviously, black pants, and I'm gonna do my big white hokas. It's raining outside because, well, April showers bring May flowers. Okay, I'm back home now. Went to the gym, worked out. How long ago was that? That was at like 9. It's already 11:30. Wow, that was a quick 2.5 hours. The gym goes by so fast. Well, it doesn't. I'm dying the whole time. But like the process of being at a gym goes by fast. And then I'm home and I'm like, okay, wow, I was there. Wow. I'll shut up and make breakfast. For breakfast today, I'm not that hungry, which is like a big ass shocker to probably the whole world. But I want to have, I say I'm not that hungry and then I'm going to make some like massive big bag fucking food. I don't know if I would just want to do like a yogurt bowl and a protein shake, or if I want to do like eggs, turkey, spinach on bread with, that's big. I'm not big. Some blueberries for good antioxidants. And then I'm gonna put some chia seeds, maybe a little almond butter. I don't have almond. Maybe a little peanut butter and then some honey. Why are these bowls stuck together? Okay. I want to make hummus today. I decided I'm gonna learn how to make hummus. Okay, wait, sorry. How much is a serving? Let me get my scale out. Am I weighing my food? Oh my God, you guys. Summer is basically tomorrow, but I'm starting today. We got a scale. Okay. 170 grams of Greek yogurt. You can't even see. I just don't know what to do about that, to be honest. F me. There you go. Now some blueberries. Okay, some chia seeds. That's 3 grams. You're supposed to do 30. I'd rather die. Some honey. Okay. Now some cinnamon. This is my yogurt bowl. I chefed it up. Words are hard this morning, and I'm not. Anyway, hi. Now I'm gonna watch TV, turn on like the news. No, The Studio, there's a new episode of The Studio. I'm gonna watch that. I've been watching it on Apple TV. I love shows like that go behind the scenes, and then I'm gonna do some work on my computer while that's going. But I just realized I got a new piece of furniture for my apartment, a new decoration. It's this coat rack, see by my door right there, and I turned it into a bag holder and a hat holder. No coats are visible. Anyway, I'm gonna go chill and eat. Okay, my show's on. Shh. Oh, no, it's an ad. The studio reminds me of the morning show, which was my favorite show ever. You want a bite? Okay, I got bored, so I'm trying this thing where I like I do a push-up handstand, or like a yoga position to a handstand to then put my legs through. You'll just see. Oh, right here. See now with him tonight. This part of my head. Feet straight up. Hold it for a minute. And if I'm like this, I can swing forward slowly and down into a split, and then say dick tonight. That's out of context, that sounds insane. Okay, you guys, I'm on my phone because my camera's been weird, but I'm now ready for the premiere. I'm heading to Benton's though. He's cooking us dinner because we were gonna go to a restaurant, and so I was like, oh, I got it. I made a reservation. I'm like, we're fine. Like, we're all set. I made us a reservation. And I sent him a screenshot of it, and he goes, hun, you made a reservation for tomorrow. I said, oh, period. And then by the time we found that out, there were no more for tonight. Yeah, so I said, okay, well, why don't we just meet there? So he offered to cook. So I'm gonna head over there now. I'm gonna try and walk. I don't know if it's still raining. I haven't been outside and my windows have been closed, but we'll see. I just finished some homework. Here's my fit. It's pretty much all Zara per usual. Black Zara pants, this belt from October Editions, and then this black shirt that I have had for forever, and then this jacket also, I think Zara. All my staples are. Anyway, and then I'm doing this Longchamp bag with it. And yeah, let's go. Let's get out the door. I'm taking Benton's dog, Rusty. Look at my little angel. Gordon Ramsay made food. Good morning, happy Sunday. It's like 9 a.m. I didn't get home. Did I talk to you last night? Probably not. I didn't get home from that event until I think midnight, like 12:10 or something. And then obviously I didn't fall asleep till 1. And then I got my beauty sleep because a bitch needs her sleep. I want to make a vision board, a vision mood board. And I've been looking at pictures on Pinterest because I didn't make one this year back in December when you're supposed to. So I was like, it's never too late to start. Let's do it in April, period. So I'm doing that today. And then yeah, we'll see, we'll catch a vibe. We'll catch a vibe and see what's happening, but let's have our green juice. Caught a vibe. Easy. I don't know what it is about today, but I have no energy, and usually on Sundays I wake up and I'm ready to run and ready to do this, and today I woke up and I was like, I want to die. Anyway, I'm doing homework. Okay, after I finish this quiz, I'm going to get ready for the gym. What's up, kid? Gotcha, buddy. You know the like dad at like the like big dad or like uncle at a like family gathering or like a neighborhood gathering or something at a barbecue in the summer, and they're like, how you doing? Don't know what this headache came from. I know what the headache came from. Flashback to me doing handstands on the floor for 20 minutes yesterday. There's the answer. But I don't know why it's not going away. What else do I have to tell you? I want to do a Q&A soon. I love life. Like, I'm actually so grateful for my life. And I've been journaling more every morning. I think I told you that yesterday. But I don't know, I'm just like really excited about all life has to offer, everything going on, everything that's coming up. Whenever I have like a really, really busy week, now busy in Jake/influencer terms, not busy in corporate world terms, let's be real. But busy week for me, I'm like, wait, this is exactly what I wanted in life. You know what I mean? Like, who am I to be mad about it? What? At that event last night, let's see, they gave us a little goodie bag. This is a hat, and it says, every path has a price. And then they gave us this, The Last of Us Alice mushroom chocolate. This is one chocolate? No, right? Surely that's not accurate. Is it? The first thing I'm consuming in the morning is this. That's diabolical, right? There has to be squares, no? Dose, 1 square. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, we're good. Okay. Whew. I was like, guys, that's not right at all. Here we go. Okay. Yes. It just tastes like really, really bitter dark chocolate. Okay, here's my outfit, all black with my bag. Let's go. I just stepped on the scale and I've been struggling with my body figure recently, if I'm being completely honest. So I'm not in the best mood, but there's our fit. I just walked in the door. I went to the store, well, a few stores. Hold on, let me set you there. I didn't shower after the gym because I knew I was gonna be running around late. Ooh, stop. Okay, anyway, let me show you what I got. I got a poster board because I wanna put it on the inside of my bathroom door. I'll show you, like my door slides like this. And so I wanna put the poster board like on the inside of the door and then all the pictures on the poster board so I see it when I shit because that's when I think the most. And I was like, that makes total sense. So I'm gonna do that. I also went to the store. I got English muffins, multi-grain, toilet scrubbers, rice cakes, plain and simple, broccoli, some double-sided tape, some Greek yogurt. Oh, okay. Pop an attitude, why don't you? Some chicken, and then some real chicken. We're gonna make the vision board and then I'm gonna go find a cafe and go chill and do some work for the rest of the day, but we gotta clean up a little bit first, shower, get our body feeling amazing and right. I love arts and crafts. This is totally arts and crafts. Run a business. Okay, sure. Okay, I just ate breakfast, showered, changed, and now we're gonna make my vision board and then I'm gonna do some homework. But my fit's kind of eating. Like I love a casual, like chill fit like this with some green juice. Let's make a vision board. Yeah, period. I'm also gonna do a TikTok of it because I think it's important to like show that I'm feeling unmotivated, even though I seem so motivated, and I really want to show that publicly. And so I'm gonna make a TikTok while I'm doing it, but you guys will obviously be along with me for the ride. There's a lot. Ooh, let's get going. So I want this down here. Some of these are literally pictures of myself. And I just did that because I want to motivate myself because these were times in my life where I felt amazing and I felt confident and I want to remind myself that it's possible. Now I'm able to do it because I've done it before. There's a lot of like juxtaposition with the vibes of these pictures. I kind of like this. It's like all thrown together. Obviously I have to make it fit, but... Wait, I got a quarter done. Can you guys even see? No, probably not. Oh, I love this song. How I never talk about where it's going wrong. Don't know where we're going, but we know we belong. Sweet creature. You guys, I finished my vision board after 3 hours. My back hurts, but let me show you. You're gonna be like, that did not take 3 hours, but it did. Anyway, here it is. I'll go through it in proper lighting with you. I'm hanging it up on the inside of my bathroom door so that whenever I shit, I can see it. I'm gonna try it with Scotch tape and see how we fare. This right here, I think. Okay, artistic. I love a vision board. I've been like dying without one, and I'm glad I made it. Only like, what, 4 months late? It's okay. Okay, you guys, it's up in my bathroom. I'm so happy it's finally done. Do you want me to show you everything? Okay, so this, starting on the top left, this is YSL because they're a dream of mine to work with. Fashion Week because I want to go to more fashion shows. Run a business. I really want to start a business. There's a few of these throughout the board and it just makes me want to. This year I really have been trying to and wanting to accept love and be loved again properly and not accept something that's going to be bad for me. I don't know how I'm saying this. I want to love and be loved and do it healthily and be in a healthy relationship by the end of the year, but also you can't put a timeline on love, so it's just a general idea of reminding myself to remember what I deserve and what to accept and what not to accept and to give myself grace and all of that. Anyway, Amex, just because I like money. Entrepreneur, love being an entrepreneur, doing new things. I want to journal more. I love taking Uber Black, SUVs. Wolf of Wall Street, self-explanatory. On a mission, stay on your mission. Remember your mission. Mine, I remember mine. This is another one of those love pictures. This is a book. I really want to write a book or start one. I started one a few months ago, but then it got lost and then all that stuff. I want to get my first YouTube plaque, What You Eat in Private Shows in Public. Milan Fashion Week, I really want to go. I'm trying to get into acting more, so this is, you'll see a lot of these. This is just a script. This is me at the White Lotus event with Banana Republic, and this was just reminding myself that I've done stuff like that before and I can do it again. Eat healthy. I love this house in LA. Think bigger. There's always a bigger picture to things, and nothing is unilateral or one, it's not, you don't have to pigeonhole yourself to one thing. There's so much more to the world. So that's just my reminder to do that. And once again, acting, eat well, look good, feel great. Health is important to me this year, and I really want to make sure that I'm keeping track of my health and making sure I'm healthy. This is on set, another house in LA I love. Two men kissing, love. A soundstage, work until you don't have to introduce yourself, but you still introduce yourself even when you get there because it's respectful and courteous and humble. Let it happen. Just let things happen. Don't rush them. Don't try and change the path that you're on. And yeah, this is Italy. I think this is also Italy. I really want to travel more. So I want to travel the world. Another table read. This is a nicer apartment in New York City. A year from now, if I stay in New York, I want to be able to afford a much nicer place. 500,000 followers. I want that total. That's my goal for myself, but also probably not going to happen. I don't know. Nothing tastes as good as skinny feels. That's not the best mantra to live by, but it's the one I live by. And consistency. Remind myself to be consistent in everything I do because nothing happens without consistency. And that's my vision board for 2025. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I have to go edit this and then I have a lot of homework and stuff to do throughout the night. And I feel like a lot has happened in the past few days. I could be wrong whenever I edit that, but nonetheless, thank you guys for joining me this weekend. I love you so much, and I do genuinely mean that. I appreciate every one of you, and you inspire me every day and keep me pushing and wanting more, and that's really important in this world, and I encourage you to find people that make you do the same. But I love you so much. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, follow me on all my other social medias linked below, as you know. Hit the bell for notifications and comment anything you want to see me make or video or do any of the, I don't know. I love you. Bye.